gray. No, I take that back. Through my camera, it looks kind of a smoky gray, but I'm cheating now and I'm looking off camera and looking at my hand. This is actually more of a smoky green. Interesting. That's actually a very cool color. Okay. And who is this again? Shades by Shan. Sorry. Small print and it's shiny. Shades by Shan. This is the gel eyeliner. All right, we got one more item. Oh no. We've got the Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser by Benefit. It's no secret that I was not a fan of Benefit's foam toner, but I'm sure they'll do a better job with their pore purifying foaming cleanser. We'll give it a try, and I will give you guys my honest review.